So guys, here's just one example, a good way to have herbs and spices. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these storage containers. So got them for different salad dressing and different salsas. That little guy's hiding in there. Well, you know what happens when they hide? We go find them. So this is a 3-pack. So these are stainless steel with silicone lids that are airtight sealed. So they're really nice, great for, well, great for a lot of things, you know. You could store butter, sauces, dressings, and so much more in here. Herbs, spices, mixes, seasonings. You can even do grounded coffee. So if you grind coffee, you can fill this up with coffee. Overall, these are really nice, just what we've been looking for. So these are going to work great. And the nice thing about them is they're easy to wash. The lids go on pretty good. You know, you guys see me taking a little bit of time here. That's because it airtight seals. So you just go around like that. And it's airtight, so it keeps anything you put in here fresh way longer than most containers. So I like that a lot. These are definitely nice. And you know, if you guys cook regularly, what you can do is you could put your, you can measure out your seasonings and put them in these little cups. That way when you're ready to cook, you know, your next round, let's say you make your favorite chicken and you have your special seasoning you use, you can put it in here. And that way the next time you go to make your chicken, pull it out, dump it on, and you're good to go. And if you're like me, I like coffee. I grind my own beans. So what I can do is I can measure out our K-cup amount, so I can already have it ready to go. So all I have to do is dump this in our K-cup and we're ready to go. So that's just a couple things that you guys can do with this. Just a couple. They're awesome. I love them.